because it's considered the principal and historical authority on language, preceding back to Anglo-Saxon time and onwards. There's different forms of evidence. We have theoretical, we have empirical.
Let's talk about solipsism. Solipsism is one of those philosophical ideology that is predicated around the idea of only the mind that exists, and all external stimuli is predicated on some sort of mirror projection.
Yeah, logarithmically, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So, when you hear a chord, primary extrinsic factor, and panpsychism has this philosophy of consciousness existing on an infinitesimal. But I didn't have, down, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.